Hi guys, I'm here with a brand new, very interesting projector for you. It's a full 1080p projector from DB Power. DB Power, as we know it, very solid brand. I'm already buying their product since about 10 years and they have never disappointed. So I have pretty high expectations also for this projector. And it's not only providing good audio and video quality, it's also providing quite some high level of comfort with autofocus, auto keystone correction. It has even some kind of intelligent obstacle avoidance. It has 2.4G, 5G support, even Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth for external speakers. Has also full 600 NC lumen of brightness and has a lot of connectivity, so suitable for PlayStation, laptops, desktops, and of course with the HDMI you can also use it for TV sticks like Chrome sticks or some other streaming devices. So it sounds really interesting. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, how to set it up, and then I'm going to show you some live footage so you can see how good the quality really is. The whole set comes with a nice carry bag. Great if you want to take it with you, or also easy to store it. Has nice cushion. Comes even with a dust removal tool. So here we have the accessories, nice cleaning towel, standard 110 volts power supply. The transformer is already built into the device, also quite some advantage. Stereo 3.5mm to RCA connection cable and full-size HDMI to HDMI. Comes with a large user manual, 33 pages. Can see everything described in detail. But as with most DB Power devices, it shouldn't be too difficult to use it. Here also decent remote control. Just make sure that you have two AAA batteries, standard batteries. They are not included, but most of the people have them at home anyway. And so here we have the beautiful projector itself. Of course, very important to remove the sticker here in the front. And so you can see there are no keystone adjustment, no focus buttons here, because everything is electronically be done. Here the sensor for the focus and the infrared remote receiver. So we have a receiver from the front. Of course, we also removed this protection. And there should be a receiver from the back. Yeah, we definitely have it, so very convenient. So we can use the remote control from the front and from the back. Decent openings for speaker and ventilation. We also have a basic control panel here from the top, and here all the connections. We have 2 times HDMI, we have USB 1, USB 2, AV and headphones, power supply on the right side. Comes with 4 solid soft rubber feet. So if you have it flat on a desk, has a safe stand. The projector has also a built-in tilting function. It's not a large screw, but even this smaller one can already help a lot. So for example, if this is not enough, use something else underneath and then you can adjust it with this screw. So this can be still very helpful. Can use standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. So we screw this in here, so we can use it with smaller or larger tripods. I would say it has pretty safe stand here. Okay, so we are ready. Let's turn it on, see how this works. Yeah, it starts really fast. And we have already instantly a sharp image. That's pretty amazing. I think never seen that so fast. Okay, here's some special screen probably to try to give more sharpness. Yeah, overall took just about 30 seconds to start it. And so here we have everything: Android Cast, iOS Cast, sound connection, where we can connect external speakers. We have the different input sources. We have WPS. Of course needs a network connection first. So let's go to the settings. So let's try to improve the image even more. So you can see we have different options how to show the image. So we can mount it on the ceiling, on the side. We have the 4-point keystone or manual keystone. So let's try the 4-point. So you can see we can move the left top a little bit to the inside. Now we press. Now we can move the right top to the left, up, down. Click again. Adjust the right bottom. Click again, adjust the left bottom. So we definitely have vertical and horizontal keystone correction. That's what I like. Looks pretty good. I think everything is more or less straight. And so we have pretty good image here. You have the autofocus and many more options. For example, here the digital zoom. Of course, we can only make it smaller and not larger, but pretty impressive how fast we can do that. With some of the projectors, this function is super slow. And here even some other options, obstacle avoidance. Then we have network settings. Of course, I have to blur everything here, but let's see how this works. With some other projectors, it can be very difficult to connect to the Wi-Fi. Here we are already connected, and so we can go to the system upgrade. Let's see if there's an upgrade. Okay, seems to be up to date. We have a lot of other settings, boot source option, power on option, language settings. We have German, English, Spanish, French, Italian, and some Asian language. And so I've added here a USB stick. Let's see. When we go to input sources, we select USB, and it has found the drive. If you think it's not in focus, we have the focus plus and minus here directly on the remote control, so we can adjust it closer or a little bit further away. What I really like here is the extreme range, so we could also focus probably on very close distance. And so I go a little bit closer here again. Let's play this 1080p video. That's full 1080p. I can't hear any audio. Oh yeah, okay. Now is the remote control. I've been able to increase the volume. Yeah, of course, no extreme bass sound or so, but I would say it does a decent job, not too bad for the size. If you like better audio, then you can attach a Bluetooth speaker, and yeah, I would say the picture is really good. What I like here is that we have a very even image from the left top to the right bottom. Pretty sharp actually, I would say, for 1080p. Also the player is good. Watch the details, there are no lags, I mean no stuttering, no nothing. That's pretty cool, I would say. Yeah, for 1080p, definitely a decent job. Also here, watch the clouds moving. And I mean, we can hear the fan of the projector. Of course, it's not a totally silent projector or so, it's not the case, but it's also not very loud or so. Even though we have the volume pretty low, now it's almost impossible to hear the fan. And I'm right in the back of it. Imagine if you're in the front of it, you probably won't hear anything. I've also been testing regarding the hot air. We have a little bit here on the left side, but absolutely not too crazy. With some projectors we have a lot of hot air. That's not the case here, just a little bit. And other than that, there is pretty much nothing. So let's go back here again. Maybe now you can hear the fan a little bit better, but definitely not too crazy. Let's try with the Android Cast. So we get a little bit of instructions here. And so I'm here in the screencast setting. By the way, of course, I have to blur this, otherwise I can't show you that. What's really cool here is that it worked right away, straight out of the box. With a lot of other projectors, it's pretty difficult to find this. We have to go to advanced settings or so. Here I just opened the screencast and I saw the DB power right away, clicked on that, and I had the screen mirroring right away. Okay, and so I have same video here. I'm playing or screencasting from my phone. You can see everything. Screencasting, I would say, pretty fluent. There are no lags visible or so. But of course, like in a lot of cases with limited Wi-Fi speed, then the quality can be a little bit limited. That's also the case here. It has nothing to do with the projector. So I highly recommend to use local player or so, HDMI, something like that. That will be much better. Yeah, I would say overall experience was really good. What I also like is how fluent the whole menu is. Everything super responsive. We really feel that this is a projector like from 2024. which has decent CPU power, everything very decent. I would say it's a very well balanced projector. I haven't found any real problem, or so I would say for a 1080p projector it does a really good job. I love the convenience of the autofocus and the 4-point keystone correction. These are things, I mean, not only convenience but also makes the viewing experience much better, especially if you have to point it from a little bit below, from the side or so. Of course it's not a 4K projector, but when we watch something like that, then it still looks very impressive, good colors, decent sharpness. I mean, not absolutely top notch, but I would say this can still make a lot of fun for gaming, watching videos or so. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.